everybody. Whew, it's March 22nd, and what a beautiful day. It's a little windy, but it's going to be a beautiful day. And let's get right into the Las Vegas market today. We've got 20 days of inventory. We listed approximately 84 homes yesterday. It looks like only 58 were single-family homes. So that dropped us down. We were right on this cusp of 21 today, but because we didn't list more homes, we're at 20. So anyway, it's all good. It's all good. We let's see, what did we have yesterday? Yesterday we had 1,906 single-family homes. Today we're down to 1,833 because you closed 81 homes yesterday, of which 59 were single-family homes. So that's how it all plays out. And we're selling 125 homes a day, and that's how we determine that there's 20 days of inventory right now in March. Last year, we had more inventory, but we were selling 145 homes a day. So just saying, it has really changed. 20 homes a day is a lot, but we've got 478 single-family homes, 450 and under. We're going to talk about that today as well. And we are still selling $4 million homes a day. We have 418 available. So we either put a lot under contract, which I don't track, because yesterday we had 425 available. So we probably put several under contract yesterday. And the big thing with me is the investors. 44 sales a day. We're going to talk about that for just a minute. So let me, let's see. Let's look at this. Put this down. All right. So we talked the other day about population growing. And we have been, over time, our population has increased. Let's put this up here too. How could I make myself smaller? It just doesn't ever want to do that for me. Put me in the back, but it won't. Hang on. See if I can. I know when Jimmy's on here, I'm sure he wonders, do you really know how to use this? Hold on. No, it won't go over there. Anyway, what we're saying is that, so from 2021 to 2025, we had 266,000 new people in those, let's say, roughly 4 years. So we were growing at a rate of about 5,000 a month, okay? If you look at what they're projecting for 2022 to 2060, which is 38 years. I know that's a long haul. If you even average that out, that's 2,192 monthly newbies coming to Las Vegas. That means net. That means after people leave and the people that stay. And that's 1 million in population growth over those 38 years. But the point is, right now we're growing at 5,000 per month, 5,000 plus per month. And it's saying over time it's going to be 2,200 per month. So it's going to be interesting, because I'm sure that somebody's going to deep dive into that a little bit so that they put it in chunks, because something is going to have to happen to keep up our infrastructure, to add new schools, and all those things that are required when you're adding new residents, and whether residents want to come here or not based on those factors. So you have to take all those things into consideration when you think about where your business is going, where you're going to grow it. One of the things that we've been talking about a lot is investors. And when you look at this chart, and this was on the news today. I think this is also in the RJ today. Yes, this is in the RJ. That's where I got this. Las Vegas, we're number 3 in increase in rental home prices. We are 32.9% increase. And that is huge. That puts us, well, Tampa, Miami area is at the top of the list with 37.1%. Increase in rent at $1,999. And that's, you might as well say 2,000, but whatever. And then Phoenix is up there at $1,884. And here we are at $1,805. So there's not a lot of difference between us and Phoenix, but between us and Tampa, $200 a month is a lot of money. You can buy a lot of stuff with $200 a month, especially with inflation and higher gas prices and food and so on. So our rental is inflating or increasing. This is not necessarily inflation. This is increase. So there's a difference. Inflation is caused by printing more money so people can buy more. and the result is inflation. So anyway, when you look at Salt Lake City, 1600, Richmond, Virginia, around 1500.